Hello to all my friends taking part in the Industrial Fabrics Association International Specialty Fabrics and Advanced Textile Expos. That is a mouthful. I think you know I would much rather be there with you in person, but there's just a few things going on right now, and I'm honored to join you via video. I'd like to acknowledge CEO Mary Hennessy and the rest of the staff at IFAI, which has been part of the Twin Cities for more than a century. I'd also like to personally welcome all of you to Minnesota. In the words of our unofficial poet laureate Garrison Keillor, Minnesota is a place where all the women are strong, all the men are good looking, and yes, all the textile industry professionals are above average. It's fitting that you're meeting in Minneapolis this year. We've always been a state that makes things, whether it's a pacemaker in a garage or high-tech fabrics that reflect and protect research, invention, and production. They've all been part of Minnesota, and they've set our state apart, and they will continue to be engines that drive us into the future. Here's just one example. Fashion students at the University of Minnesota have worked with NASA to build wearable technology that can gather information during missions and keep astronauts safe. This type of work could have widespread applications here on Earth too, and it's happening right in Minnesota. The nation as a whole can learn a lot from our state and the 1,550 companies represented by IFAI. You're providing jobs, more than 129,000, and adding more than $15 billion to the U.S. economy. You're at the leading edge of American innovation, because the world is changing and we've started making things in America again. So we want to have that workforce training and the workers in our country. We want to make sure it's easy to export all over the world, and we want to have that infrastructure in place so we can do it. That's why the connections you're making this week are so important. I'm glad you've chose Minnesota as a place to make them. Thank you again for your great work to strengthen our economy, and enjoy the rest of the Expo.